Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello, and welcome back to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Welcome to episode 2.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important.
How to speak English when you feel nervous or anxious.
A lot of people feel nervous when they speak English.
Even people who have studied for many years.
This is completely normal.
Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Today, we're going to help you feel more comfortable.
We're going to teach you what to say when you feel anxious.
And we're going to show you that it's okay to be nervous.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
If you do, you're not alone.
Millions of people feel the same way.
But here's something important. Feeling nervous doesn't mean you're bad at English.
It just means you care.
You care about communicating correctly.
You care about being understood.
And that's a good thing.
But sometimes the nervousness makes it harder to speak.
Your mind goes blank.
You forget words you know.
Your heart beats fast.
You start to sweat.
All of this is normal.
It happens to everyone.
Let's learn some simple sentences you can say when you feel nervous.
These sentences will help you.
First sentence, I'm a little nervous.
You can just say this. I'm a little nervous.
Let's practice.
I'm a little nervous.
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. Another sentence, I'm learning English.
This explains why you might speak slowly or make mistakes.
Let's practice.
I'm learning English.
Now you try.
Pause.
Excellent. One more. Can you speak slowly, please?
This is very useful.
If someone speaks too fast, you can ask them to slow down.
Let's practice. Can you speak slowly, please? Now you try. Pause.
Perfect. These 3 sentences are very powerful.
Let's say them again.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm learning English.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Write these down if you can.
Practice them every day.
Now let's talk about what happens in your body when you're nervous.
Your heart beats fast.
Your hands might shake.
You might feel hot.
Your voice might sound different.
All of this is your body's natural reaction.
It's called anxiety.
Anxiety is a feeling of worry or fear.
Everyone experiences it.
The good news is you can manage it.
You can feel nervous and still speak.
Let me tell you something important. The person you're talking to probably doesn't notice your nervousness as much as you think.
You feel it strongly inside.
But other people usually don't see it.
So take a deep breath.
Breathe in slowly.
Breathe out slowly.
Let's do it together.
Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Let's do it again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This helps calm your body.
Do this before you speak English.
It really helps.
Now let's talk about a common problem, fear of making mistakes.
Many learners are afraid to make mistakes.
They think people will judge them.
But the truth is, mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
When you make a mistake, it's okay.
Don't stop talking.
Just continue.
Most people won't even notice.
And if they do, they'll understand.
Because they know you're learning.
Let me give you an example.
Imagine you want to say, I go to the store yesterday.
That's not perfect grammar. The correct way is, I went to the store yesterday.
But even with the mistake, people will understand you.
They know what you mean.
And that's what matters. So don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are your friends. They help you learn.
Now let's learn what to say when you don't understand something.
This is very important.
A lot of learners feel too nervous to say they don't understand. They just smile and nod.
But that doesn't help you learn.
It's okay to say you don't understand.
Here are some simple sentences.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
What does that mean?
Can you say that again?
Let's practice these.
I don't understand.
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. Next one.
Can you repeat that, please?
Now you try.
Pause.
Excellent.
These sentences are not rude.
They're polite and normal.
Everyone asks questions.
Don't feel bad about asking.
Asking questions means you want to learn.
That's a good thing.
Now let's do a short role play.
Imagine you're at a store. You're nervous.
I'll be the store worker. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for, bread.
Sure, the bread is in aisle 3.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Of course, aisle 3, over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, even though I was nervous, I communicated.
I asked for help when I needed it.
And everything was fine.
Now let's practice. I'll be the worker. Can I help you find something?
Pause and answer. Great. Now let's switch.
You ask me for help.
Pause.
I'd be happy to help you.
Perfect. Now let's talk about overthinking.
Overthinking means thinking too much.
A lot of learners do this.
They think about every word before they speak.
They translate in their head.
They worry about grammar.
And then they feel too nervous to speak at all.
Here's my advice. Don't overthink.
Just speak.
Use simple words.
Don't worry about perfect grammar.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to say something complicated.
You're thinking, I would like to inquire about the availability of this product.
That's very formal and difficult.
Instead, just say, do you have this?
Much simpler. And it works.
Let's practice simple sentences.
I need help.
Where is the bathroom?
How much is this?
Can I pay here?
What time is it?
All of these are short and clear.
They work perfectly in real life.
Now you try. Pick one and say it. Pause.
Great. Now let's talk about preparing.
Before you need to speak English, you can prepare.
Let me give you an example.
Imagine you need to call a doctor's office.
You can write down what you want to say first.
Like this. Hello, I need to make an appointment.
My name is, and then your name.
Writing it down first helps you feel less nervous.
You can look at your notes while you speak. This is completely okay.
Even native speakers do this sometimes.
Let's practice preparing for common situations.
Situation 1. Ordering food at a restaurant.
You can prepare, I would like the chicken, please.
And can I have water?
Simple and clear.
Situation 2. Asking for directions.
You can prepare, excuse me, where is the library?
And can you show me on the map?
Again, simple and clear.
Now let's practice. What's a situation where you need to speak English?
Pause and think about it.
Good. Now write down 2 sentences you might need.
Take your time.
This preparation will help you feel more confident.
Now let's talk about positive self-talk.
Self-talk means the things you say to yourself in your mind.
A lot of learners have negative self-talk.
They think, my English is terrible.
Or, I can't do this.
Or, everyone will laugh at me.
But this negative thinking makes you more nervous.
Instead, try positive self-talk.
Say to yourself, I'm learning. I'm getting better every day.
Or, it's okay to make mistakes.
Or, I can do this.
Let's practice some positive sentences.
I am brave for trying.
I am learning something new.
My English is improving.
I can speak English.
Say one of these to yourself right now.
Pause.
Good. These sentences help change your mindset. A mindset is the way you think.
If you think positively, you'll feel less anxious.
Now let's learn about starting small.
What does this mean?
It means you don't have to start with big conversations.
You can start with very small interactions.
For example, say hello to your neighbor.
Just hello, good morning.
That's it. 2 words.
Or say thank you to a cashier.
Just thank you.
These small moments help you practice.
They help you build confidence.
Each small success makes you braver.
Let's think of some small ways to practice English.
Saying hello.
Saying thank you.
Asking how much.
Saying have a nice day.
All of these are simple.
But they're real English practice.
Try to do one small interaction every day.
Just one.
It doesn't have to be long.
Even 2 words is practice.
Now let's do another role play.
This time, imagine you're at work. You need to ask a question.
I'll be your coworker. Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
I don't understand this email. Can you help me?
Of course, let me take a look.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
See, even though I was nervous, I asked for help anyway.
And the other person was happy to help.
This happens in real life all the time.
People want to help you.
They're not judging you.
Now let's practice. I'll be your coworker.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Yes, what do you need help with?
What do you need help with?
I can understand English, but sometimes it's hard to speak it back.
Sure, I can help you with that.
Excellent.
Now, let's talk about body language.
Body language means how you move your body.
When you're nervous, your body language might show it.
You might look down.
You might cross your arms.
You might speak very quietly.
But you can change your body language to feel more confident.
Here's how.
Stand up straight.
Look at the person's face.
Smile a little.
Speak a bit louder than you think you need to.
These small changes help you feel more confident.
And they help other people understand you better.
Let's practice right now. Sit up straight or stand up.
Good. Now say, hello, my name is, and your name.
Great. Did you notice how your voice sounded?
When you sit or stand straight, your voice is stronger.
This helps you feel more confident.
Now let's learn what to do when you're really stuck.
Sometimes you're in a conversation and you can't think of the word.
Your mind goes blank.
What do you do?
Here are some simple strategies.
Strategy 1. Use a different word.
If you can't remember automobile, just say car.
If you can't remember exhausted, just say very tired.
Simple words work.
Strategy 2. Describe what you mean.
If you can't remember the word stove, you can say the thing where I cook.
People will understand.
Strategy 3. Ask for help.
Just say, I don't know the word in English.
Or, how do you say, and then say it in your language if the person knows it.
Let's practice these strategies. Imagine you can't remember the word scissors.
You can say the thing that cuts paper.
Perfect. People will understand.
Imagine you can't remember pharmacy.
You can say the place where I buy medicine.
Exactly, that works.
Now you try. Describe something without using its name.
Good job.
This skill is very useful. It helps you keep talking even when you forget words.
Now let's talk about celebrating small wins.
A small win is any time you speak English successfully, even if it's just one sentence.
Even if you make mistakes, if you communicated, that's a win.
Celebrate it.
Tell yourself, I did it.
Or, that was good.
Or, I'm proud of myself.
This positive reinforcement helps you feel less anxious next time.
Let's practice celebrating.
Think of one time you spoke English recently. Even just saying hello counts.
Now say to yourself, I did that. That was good.
Good. Now, let's do our long recap.
In episode 2, we learned so much.
First, we learned that nervousness is completely normal.
Everyone feels nervous when speaking a new language.
We learned useful sentences like, I'm a little nervous, I'm learning English, Can you speak slowly, please?
These sentences help you when you feel anxious.
We learned that mistakes are normal and okay.
Mistakes are how we learn.
We learned how to say when we don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please?
We talked about overthinking.
Don't think too much. Just speak simply.
In part 2, we learned about preparation.
Write down what you want to say before important conversations.
We learned about positive self-talk.
Say kind things to yourself. I can do this. I'm learning.
We learned about starting small.
Practice with small interactions every day.
We talked about body language.
Stand straight, look up, smile.
We learned strategies for when you forget words.
Use different words. Describe what you mean. Ask for help.
And we learned to celebrate small wins.
Every time you speak English is a success.
The most important lesson is this:
You can feel nervous and still speak.
nervousness doesn't have to stop you.
Take a deep breath
Use simple sentences.
and just try.
That's all you need to do.
So, here's your challenge for today.
Speak English to one person.
It can be very short, just hello, or thank you, or excuse me. One small interaction.
And after you do it, celebrate.
Tell yourself, I did it. I spoke English today.
You're braver than you think.
You're doing something difficult.
And you're doing it well.
We're so proud of you.
Thank you for listening to episode 2.
In episode 3, we're going to talk about something very important.
You are not bad at English. You just think in another language.
It's going to help you see yourself differently.
Until then, keep practicing.
Be kind to yourself.
You're doing great.
Goodbye for now.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.